Alright, today's project, got a couple of walkways we're doing here, got them marked out. So the patio's going here right off the deck. You can see the outline we've got here, and I've got some measurements on how much I got to dig out. So we got that one, and then over here we're doing a kind of an addition to this patio here. We're going to bust up this concrete edging on this one side. We're going to put some retaining wall block as a step flush with that, and it's going to drop down 8 inches to this lower section here. That's going to be a rounded, it's going to come straight off, not curving like it shows here. So it's going to come straight out and then round on the two edges, just to kind of set up some chairs around here for the fire pit area. Alright, so there's the machine work part of it. The rest I can do with a shovel just to neaten it up. So move the bulk material now onto the back. Well, my memory card was full. Wasn't able to get the footage pretty much of the entire project except for the front, but here's the back. Dug out. The rest, just the edges, we'll do by hand. Ready for some base. I added the material in here and raised it up and kind of graded this area out. That was a little bonus. And then this area over here was challenging. They don't want to take down the fire pit, so I'm working around it. And we're just going to have to hand dig around it. But again, we're doing a step down to the patio here. So we got that all dug out. Just needs some hand work. and some grading around here. Finish it up in the morning. But yep, that's what we're dealing with. It's definitely nice to have the smaller machine for little projects like this. You can really get into tight, intricate areas. And again, here's the front walkway, or walkways. So about 15 minutes with a rake and a shovel on each of these, and we can get it all neatened up and ready for the base material. But I'm going to go ahead and compact all the sub base first, and then add in about 3 inches at a time of base material and compact as we go to make sure we got a nice solid surface to work with for the patio. And that's it for now. Going to go pick up my new dump trailer at a price of OMG. I can't believe how much the price of everything has gone up. But I'm about to go buy a dump trailer for about $2,000 more than I've ever spent on a dump trailer, and about $3,000 or $4,000 more than it was for the same size. It's a 12-foot 10,000 GVW dump trailer, and I'm paying about $3,000 to $4,000 more than it was just a few years back. But what can you do? You need it. There's not many available. There's not many around, and the guy will, no interest, finance it for 20 months, which is kind of a big help. So that kind of justifies the higher cost a little bit, because I don't have to pay interest on it, and it's kind of a free loan for the money, so that's kind of good. So there she is, the latest trailer, dump trailer that is. Don't ask me what number this is out of all the ones that I've had. The last 2 or 3 dump trailers I had were from the same company, this Down to Earth, pretty mid to high level as far as the quality goes. You can see it's got a little rust just from it sitting around the yard. They store them outside and they surface rust pretty quickly, but we'll spray that. But yeah, this is it. We've got what I'm seeing right now, a tire on backwards. That's fun. That's real fun. Is that a good sign? No, this is the yeah, just that one. That's funny. This is the same guy that I bought multiple trailers from. He kind of goes down south and buys, I don't know, probably a couple dozen trailers a year, and comes down to the Cape and sells them for a profit, I'm assuming. He's not doing it for nothing. So I've been buying these Down to Earth brand and been pretty happy with them for the most part. A couple little things here and there. This was one of the things that I really didn't like about the last one that I had, this latching mechanism to hold the door. Once you open this up, it's really hard to reach in and get if you have the tall sides. My last dump trailer on the channel was pretty much the same trailer, but I had the tall sides, and I think that was a 14-footer. This is only a 12-footer. The reason that I bought this is I was getting out of construction this year, so I thought, and I was going to kind of have a nice laid back year and not take on projects and just mow and keep it simple and focus on some other things. And it's just so hard to pass up when the demand's there. The amount of work out there is ridiculous. I'm going to give it one more year. The profits are just too good to pass up. So I decided to take the plunge and grab this. I paid a lot for this. I paid more for this than I paid for my high-sided same trailer that was 2 feet longer, because the prices have gone up. So, but it is what it is. It's a brand new trailer. I haven't even raised it yet. You know, I don't worry about the guy. If there's ever any issues, they always take care of me. So what we've got is a combination rear gate. Might as well show you all about it. We've got your swing open doors. We've got one-piece floor here. Got D-rings in all 4 corners if you want to put a skid steer in it. These are nice solid doors. And And then you've also got, you can unscrew this, and there's a hinge, and then it stays together as one piece, and then it can open up if you've got a tailgate spread. We've got some steel ramps inside here, which I'm probably going to replace for my aluminum ramps, because I'm probably going to use this trailer for mowing with the Walker mower. What I do is I put my 2 aluminum ramps on here, and the Walker mower with the split tail wheels can drive right up into the back, and then I can dump my grass clippings, and it's easy to get rid of them that way, and then transport the mower. I only have the 1 Walker that I mow with, so it'll fit in here no problem and have plenty of room for grass. Got a really nice heavy duty, what is this, like a 10,000 or 14, I don't know what size this is, jack, but this has got the pull down leg with the spring assist, the nice big handle, adjustable coupler. In the control box here we've got nice new pump. It's got a built-in charger, so you can just go ahead and plug into the wall or an extension cord to charge whenever you need. You've got your power up, your power down. Battery might be low right now. That sounds like the battery's a little low. But got your dual pistons in there. Nice solid frame, looking good. All painted up nice, double brakes on both the axles, of course. But this is nice to have the power up and the power down, not just gravity down, if you're going to dump a partial load. So there's that. I'll probably be putting a wireless remote on this. Also included the tarp roller with it, all set up, ready to go. Really nice tarp. Ball bearings, greasable. We've got nice channels if you want to add some high sides when leaf season comes around. 6 lug axles, they're 5,200 pound axles, so it's a 10,000 GVW trailer. You know, it's going to weigh about 2,500, I think, maybe 3,000 pounds, so you can legally put about 7,000 pounds in here, which is 3.5 tons. I don't know if it actually lists the payload on these now. Yeah, it's 10,400 GVW, 2 5,200 pound axles. Yeah, it doesn't seem to list. But this was manufactured at the end of last year. Sometimes they have the actual tier weight, but yeah, so I don't know what it weighs. I would guess probably close to 3,000 pounds, so subtract that, you got 7,400 left over that you can put in it legally. Actually, right here we go, 6,720 pounds, so just under 7,000 pounds. Legally it's designed to hold. You can see somebody's done some touch-up paint over the stickers there. No big deal. I'm going to put my stickers on here and logo it up myself. There's a little material weight chart. If you guys want to pause the video, that's a nice little thing to maybe print out and have a little picture of. If you guys haul any materials, that's got all your weight. Really nice little chart to have. I usually take a picture of it, put it in my phone so I have it, even though I know the majority of them off the top of my head. And then I peel that off. I'm gonna end up putting some logos probably right in the front there. You know, the KLC logo there. And then I'll probably put one maybe in the back. I don't know, maybe not. I don't know if I'm gonna peel the manufacturer stickers off or not, but yeah, that's it. Got some nice heavy duty diamond plate bumpers, little steps on here. Tube steel all the way around. Very durable, strong. I was watching it as it was going down the road. You know, it's very, very stiff. It doesn't have like a lot of twist to it, and I'm very happy with the quality of these. They're just heavy enough. You know, you can overbuild the crap out of these. There's better built trailers that are heavier duty with the twin I-beams and all that stuff. You know, and then you're gonna want to have your 8,000 pound axles in it, and then you still get, you know, you probably get about 8,000 GVW or more, because those trailers weigh a lot more. So this is a good all-around size, 7 by 12 foot, a decent GVW for landscaping. You can put, you know, 3 yards of any stone material, you know, stone, dirt, loam, that type of stuff, no problem. If not, 4 yards. And as far as mulch goes, you can put sides on it and put a good, you know, 8 yards in there, no problem. And of course, leaves and grass, you can put pretty much, you know, 4-foot sides up on there and fill it right up. So, but yeah, that's the new trailer. I had this little doohickey I was gonna use on the back of this just to be able to dump stuff off the back of the truck just for some small material. The unloader, which I've been using. I'm probably going to take this off and put the tailgate back on now, since this truck is probably going to be dedicated to pulling this trailer. So that's a nice match. The 3/4 ton, this is about the max you can pull with that truck anyway, so that works out good. It's got nice heavy duty rear suspension in it, 8 lug axles and stuff. So, but yeah, that'll do it for this video. Another new trailer, and you'll see that in the channel. And I'll have an update on the project at the beginning of this video, the patios we're doing. Tomorrow I'll be putting the base in and doing some compacting, so have a video on that. Thanks, guys.